So, what are the frameworks and methods of strategic planning you use for your products?
Good. You're basically asking for a ready-made platter that can be served onto your plate so that you can consume lavish and then nourish yourself, right? That's the question. But unfortunately, there are no such ready frameworks available in the literature, right? Nevertheless, I do not want to disappoint, right, the community that is watching for the questions here. I have developed a framework basis my 11 years of product managerial experience that I have, and I have named it as PALMS. Yes. Now, this PALMS is a 5-step success formula to ensure that every product manager is successful in his perusal. Now, let me go ahead. So, you know the PALMS, right? So, this is it is framed out of this PALMS so that it is easy for everybody to also remember and understand. First one is P, right? P is watch out and look out for opportunities to add value. I mean, explore what is the problem that you wanted to solve. Explore where there is a problem, right, that needs to be solved. That is exploring and identification. That is P. Second one is A. PALMS mein second one is A. Articulate. Once you explored, once you identified the possible problem statement, right, distill and define the right problem statement, right? Do not be generic, do not be vague, but you need to be very, very specific. Now, the litmus test to understand whether you have arrived at the right problem statement is your ability to explain that easily and the other person's ability to understand that easily. As long as a product manager, you are able to explain the problem statement rightly and your customer is able to understand it rightly, then you have hit the nail. Otherwise, it has to go through iteration. So P is, as I said, explore. Then A, as I said, is articulate. Then L, third one is look out for solutions. As I mentioned, right? Not necessary that every problem that you have articulated will need to be will demand for a solution that is developed or that needs to be developed from the scratch. Look at the solutions that are already available, right? Try if you can improvise, discover, or innovate from that particular solution. Design multiple solutions. You cannot have one single solution for a problem statement. You have multiple approaches and multiple solutions. Design them, bounce off with customers through design of experiments, right? And finally, you arrive at a solution. And again, the litmus test to understand whether your solution is the right solution is your solution must be simple, executable, and scalable. If this fails in either of these three, if it is not simple, if it is complex solution, if it is too far away from execution, and it takes different right problem altogether to scale it up, then you have not actually arrived at the solution. And the next one is multiply efforts, right? Don't, as a product manager, the expectation or the temptation is that, hey, let me do it all by myself. No, don't try to be Hercules. Leverage network, right? Don't rediscover the wheel, right? Multiply yourself through synergy, through the right teams, right? Take the help of the experts, specialists. Don't try to do all by yourself and multiply your efforts. And finally, the S. Once as a product manager, you build an MVP, that is a minimum viable product, and assess the right product market fit, right? Then the next job is all about right, scaling it up, right? You will have to scale it up to succeed. Again, few points that are very important for you to understand and consider during in this framework is fail cheap, fail early, and turn around quickly. Be ready with multiple solutions. At the same time, be prepared for multiple iterations. Don't think that you developed a product and solution and you will have to stick with that. You need to be mentally prepared for multiple iterations in this product. And as I said, when you take this MVP and take it to the customer, the early adopters response is very, very critical. So with this, I conclude right, this particular technique. As I mentioned, it is PALMS. Prowl, right? Look out for opportunities. Prowl like a roaring lion where the opportunity is, right? Articulate the same opportunity in the right problem statement. Third one, look out for solutions which are already available if they can be adopted with minimum improvisations and innovative changes. Fourth, do not be a Hercules, do not be a hero. Multiply your results to right synergy. Fifth one, whatever MVP that you build, scale it up, right? I think so. I think that's the framework that I have to our community viewers, basically who are looking for what could be the right framework and methodology in planning their products. And I think this is the one, PALMS, very easy to remember.